Welcome back to another video. This week I wanted to show you guys how to make your own cannabis lotion. So it is a two-part process. I will leave a how to make canna butter in the description box below, so you can go look at that video after or before. And super simple to make. It's really nice for inflammation, pain, and yeah, it's a lotion. It's not a salve. There's a lot of videos out there that say lotion, but it's a salve. So a lotion is 75% water and 25% oil. So it goes on nice and yeah, it goes on like a lotion. It absorbs nicely, and yeah, so we'll get into the video right now. So here is the infused coconut oil. I will leave a description of that in the box below. And so what you'll need is two 8-ounce containers. It does make 16 ounces. And you'll need two heat-safe measuring cups, preferably larger ones. At least one large one. You want to be mixing in that one. And you'll need two thermometers and a hand blender. And rubbing alcohol is super important when you're making a lotion because of contamination. So you want to just sanitize anything that comes in contact with your lotion, including your thermometers, forks of the blender, the bowl itself, spoons. Just cover your ground so you avoid any sort of bacterial growth. And so here is the oil phase. We will be using the canna butter. And I'm just going to tare the scale to 0. And I'm setting it to ounces, so it's 1.45 ounces of infused coconut oil. And I will tare the scale to 0. And so here I'm using sunflower oil. You could use avocado oil or olive oil. And I will be using 0.40 ounces. And we'll tare the scale. And we'll be adding cocoa butter, which is really soothing to your skin. And we'll be adding 0.40 ounces of cocoa butter. We'll tare the scale. And here we'll be adding our emulsifying wax at 0.70 ounces. And this just ensures that the water and the oil don't separate. And we're onto the water phase, and I'm using aloe vera liquid extract, but you could use distilled water. And I'm going to tare the scale, and I will be pouring in 9.80 ounces of aloe vera extract liquid. And so now I'm taking them both and putting them into their hot baths. So you'll want to keep the temperature to 70 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and this just ensures that the oils have properly melted, it reduces contamination, and it helps to emulsify. So keep track of the time and the temperature, and you'll have to pour them within 7 degrees Celsius of one another to properly emulsify. So keep that in mind. Here I'm just pouring the oil into the water, but you could pour the water into the oil. I'll be using the blender here. So I'm using 0.128 ounces of my preservative and 0.20 ounces of oat protein, which is optional. But for my preservative, I have to add it in at 45 degrees Celsius. So just whatever preservative you use, just follow the instructions on that. And we'll be mixing here for a good 2 minutes on, 2 minutes off, 2 minutes on, for a good like 10 minutes. And here the consistency has turned into a lotion. It is really nice and creamy. And so at this point you could try using a funnel. I tried, I sort of mixed it a bit too much in a way, and it got thick. So here I'm just using my own piping bag, well, a makeshift one, and I will be squeezing it into the containers. And so the squeeze bottles are the way to go because it reduces contamination. That is it on how to make your own cannabis lotion. It's really easy to make. It is a 2-step process, so I will link the video in the description box below, and I will link it here as well if you want to learn how to make that. And yeah, really good for different types of things. I mean, it's just generally a nice moisturizer for your body, but you can use it on your inflammation. if you have like any sort of eczema or psoriasis. I personally have psoriasis. I've got scalp psoriasis and it's going on my forearm, but I've noticed that it actually helps with the itchiness. It seems to tame down the inflammation. It's good for pain, neuropathy pain, sort of if you have sore muscles, so really broad spectrum use. So yeah, it absorbs really nicely, the lotion. So, there we go. You can see. Let's see, I'm gonna just put it. See that? It doesn't go on really greasy, it absorbs really nicely. Good. The last lotion that I made was specifically for dry hands, so if you do have dry hands like me, check that out. Really nice video for that. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.